In this topic, we're going to see how to manipulate the strings using string functions. The string functions, they are used to manipulate and perform the operations on string. Let's see what are these string functions. First one is concat. When you want to connect two different strings, here Alice is one string and Johnson is another string, and you are trying to connect them with the white space, and this is your function. So the result string will be Alice and Johnson together with white space. Number two, substring. When you want to get, let's say, part of your string, then you use the substring. And the syntax for substring is this one. In parentheses, you just write your string and you mention your starting point and ending point. Here you are saying 1 and 3. So you will get the first three characters. Length. If you want to have how many characters are there in your string, you just write your string inside parentheses and then you said length and it will give you number. So since you have 5 characters, these are, so this is the number. 5 number represent the length. Replace. If you want to replace, let's say, character of your string, then you tell what character you want to replace. Here A, we're replacing with O. Now Amanda becomes this string. Next one is left and right. If you want to have how many, if you want to extract elements or characters from left side of your string, then you mention how many elements you want there. Left string is used to extract the number of characters you wanna have from its left side of the string. So here you wanna have 2, so AL will be 2 characters of your string. And similarly you can use right. From right side you will have C and E. Now upper and lower. So these functions they use to convert your string into uppercase, and lower is used to convert your string into lower letters. Trim. If you want to remove, like, spaces before and after of your strings, white spaces, then you can use a trim function. Here we have a few white spaces, and when you use trim function, you will get output without any white spaces. Now we're going to solve some exercise based on these string functions. Let's do that.